We're going to look at an app called showme. This is an iOS app built for an iPad. It basically is a virtual whiteboard in which you can create tutorials which record your voice as well as the actions as you draw on the whiteboard. So I've created a showme account here. The account is free and provides you with, I believe it is 5 free showmes, and after that you need to look at the paid version. Within it are also showmes that others have produced that you can explore through. So if I explore through, we can see that there are all these different showmes. The showmes are organized by a curricular area, so if I was to go into math, I can pick math, I could pick it by topic, I could pick it by grade. I can go into any of these showmes, find the link, and then post those in any website or Google Classroom or any way else I would like to share. I'm going to go back to my showmes and let's look at how to create a showme and how it might be used. So to create a showme, we click on the Create Showme, tap anywhere to begin. I'm just going to clear everything here. Quickly across the top we have a Bluetooth because I have a Apple Pencil connected to it, but you don't need that. Any stylus can be used, or even your finger. We have the letters next to it which allow you to type in text, an eraser to erase things. Then there is also a opportunity to add backgrounds. So we can choose backgrounds that are already populated by the app. We can choose any of these. Or we can even go onto the web, we can take a photo, so we can create different backgrounds and annotate above it. We have the undo, we have the clear everything. Then we have a record button, which we'll come back to, and then we have the color palette. This is not the only color palette. By tapping on the plus at the end, it exposes some other palettes that we can use, whichever we would like. So in this case, I'm just going to do a simple math problem. So I'm going to take plus 5 plus negative 3, and maybe I want to represent that with some manipulatives. So positive 5 is going to be represented with 5 circles, and negative 3 by 3 blue circles. I'm then going to group, cancel these out to come up with my answer, which is remaining, which is positive 2. But I forgot to record it. So I'm going to create a simple showme now. So the first thing I'm going to do is begin to record it and then post it in the classroom. So I'm going to just create a simple math equation. So plus 5 plus negative 3 equals, I'm going to maybe use some manipulatives here. So to represent positive 5 and negative 3, I'm going to now group and see my remainder is here. So my answer is positive 2. Once I'm done, I can tap on the pause to pause and then come back. I can add additional slides if I come back and need additional slides, but this is fine for this. Then I'll tap on the done, and then I will save and upload my video. Now it's going to upload it. You can see it's scrolling to the top, and it'll begin to show my video. If I'm happy with that, I'll just click on the save, and it's going to ask me to provide a name for it. So I'm just going to call this one and then it might ask me to tag it so we can actually organize it better. So this would be math. Then there you can keep going, but I'm going to say that's enough. So done adding topics, and then it's going to begin to post, and you can see it going through the process now. Now on it we have a gear. If we tap on the gear, we can also download it to our Google Drive. We can save it as a video in our photos. We also have the opportunity to share it to our Google Classroom, but that you require an account for. And I'm just going to close that. I can also tap on it and look at it using the share button on the far left. I can also copy the link and use the link. As I copy it, it'll save it to my clipboard, and then I can paste that link into something else wherever I want to show it. But you can see it's showing right now. I'm just going to pause it and say done. So there, that's a little introduction to showme, an app that allows you to create a virtual whiteboard as well as record tutorials using both audio and screencasting. Hope you found this helpful.